reduction of insulin leads to arthritis, diabetes, heart diseases, migraine. Answer is diabetes. Severe joint pain is associated with which of the following? A. Malaria, B. Flu, C. Chikungunya, D. Dengue. Answer is chikungunya. Exposure to sun without appropriate protection may cause A. Skin cancer, B. Blood cancer, C. Bone cancer, D. Mouth cancer. Answer is skin cancer. March 8th is celebrated as A. Rajasthan Day, B. World Women's Day, C. WHO Day, D. UN Day. Answer is World's Women's Day. White revolution is associated with which following production in India? A. Wheat, B. White cement, C. Milk, D. Soya bean. Answer is milk. Which part of the eye is transplanted from the eyes that are donated? A. Retina, B. Cornea, C. Entire eyeball, D. Iris. Answer is cornea. India's first underwater tunnel is to be set up in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. National Nutrition Policy was adopted by Government of India in 1975, 1990, 1993, 1999. Answer is 1993. Who won Wimbledon Women's Doubles title 2015? A. Sania Mirza, Martina Hingis, B. Ekaterina Makarova, Elena Vesnina, C. Sania Mirza, Elena Vesnina, D. Sania Mirza Karabakh. Answer is A. Sania Mirza, Martina Hingis. Which is the official language of Rajasthan? A. Marwari, B. Hindi, C. Jaipuri, D. Rajasthani. Answer is Hindi. The Millennium Development Goal 6 was associated with A. Reduce child mortality, B. To improve maternal health, C. Combat HIV or AIDS, malaria and other diseases, D. Develop a global partnership for development. Answer is C. Combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. First country to start family planning program. A. India, B. China, C. Pakistan, D. Japan. India. District level authority of health department is ASHA, Joint Director, CM and HO, BCMO. Answer C. CM and HO. The national program RNTCP is related to which disease? neonatal tetanus, measles, TB, HIV. Answer is TB. The primary health center is managed by A. Health inspector, B. ANM, C. Medical officer, D. BCMO. Answer medical officer. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin? A. Vitamin B, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin A. Answer is vitamin C. Prime Minister released the digital version of Dash on 31st August 2015. A. Ramayan, B. Mahabharat, C. Gita, D. Ramcharitmanas. Answer is Ramcharitmanas. Monsoon branch which enters foremost in the state of Rajasthan. A. Arabian Sea branch, B. Bay of Bengal branch, C. Indian Ocean branch, D. Both. Answer is Arabian Sea branch. When should one drink ORS? A. During fever, during diarrhea, when thirsty, during high blood pressure. Answer is during diarrhea. What is BCC? Behavior Control Committee, B. Behavioral change of community, C. Behavior change of communication, D. Behavior channels of communication. Answer is C. Behavior change communication. IYCF, infant and young child feeding, is related to which of the following? A. Initiation of breastfeeding within 1 hour of birth, exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months, complementary feeding starting on completion of 6 months of age, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. How many high priority districts are there in Rajasthan under RMNCH plus A? Answer is 10. IUCD is not a good method for a woman A who had or lost delivery by cesarean operation, who wants to delay sterilization operation for few years, whose husband has many sexual partners, all of the above. Answer is C, whose husband has many sexual partners. Newborn care corners NBCCs have been established at all subcenters, all primary health centers, all community health centers, all delivery points. Answer all delivery points. How many doses of tablet or syrup of deworming can be given to a child? Once in a month, twice in a 6 months, once in a year, twice in a year. Answer is twice in a year. Which one of the following is a traditional method of rainwater harvesting in Rajasthan? A. Tank, B. Well, C. Pond, D. Tanka. D. Tanka. Answer is D. Tanka. The section 4 of COTPA is related to A. Warnings at selling points of tobacco products, sale of tobacco products within 200 meters of educational institutes, smoke free public places, advertisement of tobacco products. Answer C. Smoke free public places. Diet given in a malnutrition treatment center is called A. H75 and H100, B. F75 and F100, C. Diet 75 and Diet 100, D. None of the above. Answer is B. F75 and F100. Which food nutrient is required more in pregnant women in India? A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Potassium, D. Zinc. Answer is A. Iron. Iron sucrose is given to all women, all anemic women, pregnant women who are highly anemic, lactating mothers who are anemic. Answer is C. Pregnant women who are highly anemic. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram considers children of the following age group: 0 to 18 years, 0 to 19 years, 1 to 18 years, 1 to 19 years. Answer is 0 to 18 years. HBNC Plus program covers the child till age of 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 year. Answer is C. 1 year. Which females get services at Anganwadi centers? A. All pregnant women, all lactating mothers, all pregnant and lactating mothers, aged women. Answer is C. All pregnant and lactating mothers. Which of the following district of Rajasthan shares its border with maximum districts? A. Jaipur, B. Pali, C. Jalore, D. Ajmer. Answer is B. Pali. What is the measure of health status of children in the community? MMR, CDR, CBR, IMR. Answer IMR. Under the Mukhyamantri Shubhalakshmi Yojana, the benefit is given in how many installments? A1, B2, C3, D5. Answer is C. 3 installments. How many antenatal checkup of pregnant women should be done during her pregnancy period? A5, B4, C2, D1. Answer is B. 4. Recently, the data of which phase of NFHS has been made available? A first, B second, C third, D fourth. Answer is fourth. Rajasthan State Tourism Department is located at A. Jaipur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur, D. Ajmer. Answer A. Jaipur. On a fixed day, services for women and child health care are provided at the Anganwadi Kendra. This day is called Arogya Health Camp, Maternal and Child Health and Nutrition Day, Swasthya Divas, Poshahar Divas. Answer is Maternal and Child Health and Nutrition Day.